Okay, so as you can see, I did use the shims because I wanted to leave enough space there to put the mortar in the seams. But I made this flush mount to the outside to add to the weatherproofing thereof. And when I go inside, I'll build up the mortar around it to look real nice and have a good finish. What I've done with the concrete, the mortar, is I've made it thick enough so that it'll stand up on its own. When I go to apply it to the window, it won't just keep falling out. I'm going to add even more, because if it gets too thick, I can just add a little bit of water. But I want to make sure that it's tight enough where it'll stand up on its own without falling down and making me do it over and over again. This is going to be a fairly straightforward application.